In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Wells Fargo app on your phone. Whether you're new to mobile banking or looking to optimize your experience, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to get started smoothly. First things first, you'll want to download the app. Head over to your phone's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Wells Fargo Mobile and download the official app. Once the download is complete, tap to open it. Now, if you're an existing Wells Fargo customer, you can sign in using your current username and password. If you do not have a Wells Fargo account, you'll need to set one up by following the instructions provided on the app. Once you're signed in, it's time to set up quick access for easier and faster logins in the future. This feature allows you to use biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition depending on what your device supports. Simply follow the prompts to activate this, adding an easy yet secure layer of access to your banking. Now that you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen. This is the central hub of your app usage, showing your account balances and recent transactions right away. Spend some time navigating around the sections to get comfortable with each element. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you'll be banking like a pro in no time. Next, let's dive a little deeper and learn how to view full transaction details. To do this, tap on any account listed on the home screen. From here, you'll see a more detailed list of your transactions. Tap on any of them to get even more information. Handy, right? Understanding your transactions is crucial for managing your finances. Let's move on to transferring money. Navigating back to the home screen, find the Transfer and Pay section. This is where you can shift funds between your different accounts. Choose the account you want to transfer money from and the one you want to transfer money to. Enter the desired amounts and confirm the details before finalizing the transfer. Similarly, for sending and receiving money, the app provides options such as Zelle. This feature is perfect for quick everyday transactions with friends and family. Just set it up by linking your contacts and confirming your account, then you're all set for seamless transactions with just a few taps. Last but not least, let's explore managing your debit and credit cards. This feature allows you to monitor transactions, set up alerts, and even temporarily lock your card if it's misplaced. So from the home screen, go to the Manage Cards section to explore all these powerful tools available right at your fingertips. And there you have it! With the Wells Fargo app, managing your finances has never been easier or more accessible. Make sure to explore all the features at your leisure. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your streamlined banking experience.